Leaders aren't born, they are made. This timeless truth resonates across cultures and generations. This statement holds the key to understanding leadership. It signifies that leadership is a skill honed over time, not an innate trait. It's a journey, not a destination. Each step taken, each challenge faced, and each lesson learned contributes to the making of a true leader. It's about constant growth, unwavering commitment, and relentless determination. The path is often steep and demanding, but the rewards are immeasurable. This journey is open to all, but only those who dare to embark on it discover their true leadership potential. It requires courage to start and perseverance to continue. Leadership is not about titles or positions. It's not confined to the walls of a boardroom or the hierarchy of an organization. It's about influence, about inspiring others to achieve a common goal. True leaders empower those around them, fostering a sense of unity and purpose. And this influence is earned step by step through consistent effort and dedication. Every small action, every thoughtful decision builds the foundation of leadership. So, are you ready to take the first step on this incredible journey? The path awaits, and the world needs more leaders like you. Every journey begins with a single step, a moment of decision that sets the course for what lies ahead. And the journey of leadership starts with commitment, a promise to oneself to strive for excellence. Commitment is the foundation upon which great leaders are built. It is the bedrock of trust and the cornerstone of success. It's the unwavering resolve to grow, to learn, and to lead, even when faced with challenges. Commitment requires sacrifice. It demands dedication and perseverance. But the rewards far outweigh the costs. The sense of achievement, the respect earned, and the impact made are invaluable. When you commit to becoming a better leader, you commit to becoming a better version of yourself. You embrace growth and transformation. And that is a journey worth taking, a path that leads to not just personal success, but to inspiring and uplifting others along the way. Growth is the path to leadership. It's about constantly seeking new knowledge, developing new skills, and expanding your horizons. It's about stepping outside your comfort zone and embracing new challenges. Personal growth and professional growth are inseparable on the leadership journey. As you invest in your personal development, you naturally become a more effective leader. And as you face leadership challenges, you grow as a person. Embrace this cycle of growth. Section 4. Overcoming obstacles, achieving greatness. The path to leadership is not always smooth. There will be obstacles, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But it's in these moments that true leaders are forged. Remember the words of Winston Churchill: "Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Learn from your mistakes, and never, ever give up on your dreams. Section 5. The journey continues. This is where we delve deeper into the essence of leadership and personal growth. The journey of leadership is ongoing. It's a path filled with opportunities to learn, grow, and inspire others. There's no finish line, no final destination. It's a continuous process, a never-ending road that stretches far beyond the horizon. It's about constant evolution, continual improvement. Every day presents a new chance to refine your skills and expand your horizons. It's about striving to be a little better today than you were yesterday, reflecting on your progress, learning new skills, and embracing new hobbies. Every step forward is a step toward greatness. Every challenge overcome, every skill learned, every obstacle faced head-on, every person inspired. It all adds up to something truly remarkable. So, embrace the journey. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the successes, and learn from the failures. And never stop striving to reach your full leadership potential. The journey is long, but every step is worth it. Keep moving forward, and you'll achieve greatness.